And hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is a PBandai exclusive. We have the Figurized Standard Mass Rider Dark Kabuto. Yes, Dark Kabuto is finally in a Figurized Standard form. And as you look in the box art, we have Dark Kabuto here already in cast off mode, and he's like already ready to punch Kabuto. And off to the side, we have Dark Kabuto front and back. Basically, if you think, it's just the same as Kabuto, but only the red is swapped into black. I think, yep. And here's the information of Dark Kabuto in the series, and of course, information about the kit. So let's take a look inside the box. We first see one bag with stickers, 2 screws, one multicolored, one all black, another bag with 2 black screws, another bag with 3 screws, and a drive transfer. So I think the patterns on his chest on his body is drive transfers. Yeah, so last bag contains 1 screw, the effect parts and the stand, and of course let us not forget the instruction manual for Dark Kabuto, or Kusakabe Soji, which is his alter ego. So let's take a look individually at the screws. So first off, we have the A sprue here, which is actually the same as Kabuto, but they actually also give you another A sprue, which is actually the stop colors is for Dark Kabuto. So knowing people, not sure why. I mean, they could have just replaced, oh yeah, maybe because of the mold inject. So yeah, there you have it. You have 2 A sprues, one with red, one with black. We have a B sprue here, which is all black. We have a C sprue, which is now all black. I think this was previously silver. These parts here, I think. And we have a D sprue, which is all silver, and E sprue, which is the effect part, F sprue, which is in Kabuto was previously red, now it's black, and then a G sprue. And since this is a PBandai or an old kit, we have a PC sprue, which are for the joints, and yes, of course, the standard stand, some stickers for Dark Kabuto, and like I mentioned earlier, or if you saw in the box art, this actually has a pattern, and that pattern is for they give you dry transfers for that. So this might be a tough one, considering there's a cast off system, and if you put a dry transfer here, I'm not sure how long it will hold up. And there you have it, Kamen Rider fans and folks. That was what's inside the PBandai exclusive Figurized Standard Mass Rider Dark Kabuto Kusakabe Tendo. Kusakabe Soji. Yeah, the worm that copied off Tendo Soji. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, and see you. And until the next time, see you and thank you.